Bonjour et bienvenue. Learn French with AT Khoj. AT Khoj, say more. Here, folks, today I'm here to have some transportation word. The moment you will be there in France, you will be needing these words, and the words are transportation words. And I believe one word already was taken. That was I remember, like in few of my lecture, it was repeated quite frequently, and that was car. Yes. So how we say car in French is voiture, and that's it. That is feminine. While learning the object, it's important to remember or important to know whether that noun or that object is masculine or feminine. It's very important because in French we have only two. Noun will be masculine or feminine. So remember that while learning, make sure the word, the noun which you're learning is masculine or feminine, right? So now, as I've already discussed, that we are going to have some transportation words, okay? And the first word, well, look over here. Here we have the list of words. So the first word, vélo. Vélo is bicycle. Cycle, okay? And before that, en generally we use, for the transportation we use by, because generally you would say that I come by bicycle, I go by bicycle, by. So en vélo, it's en vélo, okay, en vélo, okay. Now what's the second word? Would you like to try it your own? No, don't try it. It's very simple. Bus. Bus. Oh, bus. Oh, bus. Like by bus. I come by bus. I go by bus. Well, I go. Remember? Je vais en bus. I go by bus. Okay? Yeah. So, now, what's the next one? It's quite similar. Are you finding it similar to something like connected? Scooter. Yes, exactly. This is scooter. By scooter. Okay. Now, what is the next one? Motor. Okay. So by motor, I mean by motorbike or something. Okay. And then what's the next word? Metro. Metro is subway. Pier. Pier. Next word is pied. Pied is on foot. Like kaisa? On foot. Train. En train. En train is by train. En train. By train. En train. Now the last is en bateau. En bateau. En bateau is boat. Boat. Okay, so here we have these words, and now we have to. So the first word is vélo, cycle, vélo. Next is bus, then scooter, then car, voiture, motorbike, subway, on foot, avion, avion, then train, and the last boat. So here almost the very usual and so almost the usual words are taken here, and I hope that you'll remember it and you'll practice too. Here we have done with it, and now I would suggest you to repeat it and watch this video again to revise and keep revising these words, because these words are very important. And watch this video again and again.